Composition of compounds by electrolysis. Compounds can be broken down into simpler substances by a decomposition reaction. Electrolysis is a decomposition reaction in which electricity is used to form new chemical substances. Electrolysis can be used to split water into the elements oxygen and hydrogen. You can do this yourself. You need a glass bottle or large drinking glass, drinking water, teaspoon, table salt, 2 pencils sharpened at both ends, a 9-volt battery, a small piece of cardboard, as the scissors, conducting wires, and sticky tape. Fill the drinking glass about half full with clean drinking water. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and stir. Use the scissors to make 2 small holes in the piece of cardboard. Be careful not to cut yourself. Push the pencils through the cardboard. Place the cardboard over the drinking glass. The sharpened tips of the pencils must be in the water. The pencils must not touch each other or the sides of the drinking glass. Use the conducting wires and the sticky tape to connect the sharpened top ends of the pencils to the battery. Make sure that the copper of the conducting wires is in contact with the graphite in the pencils. After a while, bubbles start forming at the bottom ends of both the pencils. The bubbles formed at the pencil that is connected to the negative terminal of the battery are hydrogen gas bubbles. The bubbles formed at the other pencil are oxygen gas bubbles. Water is decomposed into the elements hydrogen and oxygen. The compound, copper chloride, can also be split into elements by electrolysis. This must be done in a laboratory. We need copper chloride, a large beaker, graphite rods, a holder for the rods, conducting wires with clips, and a 9-volt battery. Fill the beaker about 3/4 with copper chloride solution. Place the graphite rods in the holder. Let the holder rest on top of the beaker. The rods must not touch each other or the sides of the beaker. Use the conducting wires to connect the rods to the battery. After a while, bubbles start forming at the graphite rod that is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. The gas has a sharp, pungent smell. It is chlorine gas. A reddish-brown layer coats the lower end of the other rod. The layer is copper. Copper chloride is decomposed into the elements copper and chlorine. What have we learnt?
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Nasky to help you. Anytime, anywhere.